Please center your consciousness in your heart and visualize the yellow fire expanding as the wisdom of the Buddha. The light of your heart is the light in the lighthouse window. It is a beacon of sacred fire. It is a path of illumination. It is the mind of God, and it is the flame in the darkness of Maya and illusion. It is the flame in the darkness of the dark age. The light of the heart is the lantern. It is the lantern of Diogenes, of Lanto, of Confucius. By the mighty will of God within us, O Lord, by the love of Alpha and Omega, we will now, by the power of the mighty I Am that I Am, to expand illumination's flame within our hearts. And so we dedicate the flame of life which we keep as keepers of the flame to the expansion of our heart's fire in these days of our communion with the Buddhas. And therefore, by the law of the three-in-one, let the will of God and the love of God expand correspondingly and support this mighty pillar of illumination. We command illumined action unto the sons of God incarnate, in the name of Gautama Buddha, Lord of the world. We command illumined action on the part of the children of the light, in the name of Jophiel and Christine, in the name of Lord Lanto and Confucius, and all of the cosmic Christs, Sanat Kumara and the seven holy Kumaras. In the name I Am that I Am, we command illumined action on the part of elemental life and the embodied angels. We command illumined action charged with love and the determination to be God in manifestation. In the name of Apollo and Lumina, in the name of the God and Goddess Meru, in the name of Lord Maitreya, the compassionate Buddha, in the name of Kuan Yin and Jesus Christ, Kuthumi Dwal Ku, and our beloved El Moria. In the name of El Moria, we demand illumined action. In the name of Lanello, we demand illumined action from the very hearts of keepers of the flame. Let the path of the sun, let the path of the sun, oh, let the path of the sun make all hearts of light one. In this year 1983, we call for the oneness of hearts by the fiat of illumined action of the Mother of the world. In the name of Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva, in the name of the Mahakali, we invoke Buddha. I shall read to you the sutra on the merits of the fundamental vows of the Master of Healing, the lapis lazuli radiance, tathagata. We have been sharing the dictations and lectures of the Emerald Matrix in this winter season, released for you so that you may put on the mantle of the Buddha as the Master of Healing. Master of Healing is only one of the titles of the Tathagata. And so we follow this ray of our heart's illumination back to the sun for the masterful one of healing. We enter the path of the Buddhas as Bodhisattva to be, as mothers of the world to be, by the heart of the 12 vows of the Master of Healing. As we study these vows, we will take them ourselves, if we so elect to do, when we hear them read, and we will give our own mantras, our dynamic decrees, by way of affirming and confirming the vow of our heart to be what the Bodhisattva who became the Buddha vowed to be.